Hi, welcome to RTG, Retro Tech Guardian, with Ted and I. So this is a really quick video, just to show you this little kit that I've bought. I picked this up online quite cheap. I paid £12.50 all in for everything boxed. There isn't all the instructions, there's only a few. I think there's the remote control box, which is there. You've got 3 batteries, you've got a video tuner, you've got the VHS video recorder, and then you've got the colour camera. There's a box there for the camera case, another box there for the video carrying case. There's a camera extension cable box at the top, and then there's the power supply there, which the power also comes from the video tuner. Now this would be a massive video if I was to unbox everything all in one go. So what I'm going to do is a series of videos of this, and then we can find out together if it works. I've bought it, never taken it out of the boxes. I've taken the carrying bag and the camera case out just to have a look at the condition of them, and they look fine. The guy did show me a couple of the bits before he put them in the boxes when I picked them up. But he also showed them on the place where I bought them from. So I did have to drive quite a way for them, but I ended up going out for a bit of a day out anyway. So well, we had a night out. Me and my partner, she came with me, and we went out and had a meal out and everything. So it was quite a nice day. And yeah, it was bought from Dixon's. I've got a feeling the year is about 83. 82, 83 for this. Now I actually bought it off the guy who bought it, original owner, and I'm sure he said to me he paid nearly £3,200 for everything, which I can probably believe. All this would have been stupidly expensive in the day. So the camera itself doesn't have a recorder built in. It's the old-fashioned camera one where you've got the camera that connects via a lead to the portable video recorder, and both the camera and the recorder had a battery in it, hence the 3 batteries. And you'd only get about half an hour, 40 minutes tops. I think they're NiCad batteries. There's no way in this world the batteries will work still, but because they were boxed and everything, I've kept them. I was tempted to take one apart and put a modern lithium battery in just to get one of them to work. I might do that with this, and it would be nice because then I could take it out and actually try a video, and that's of course if it all works, because I have not tested anything. So we'll find out together over the coming videos whether or not it works. So I think the first video we'll start unboxing some stuff and have a look at stuff more in detail, which will be next week, and I'll try and do a series of it every week. So if you are interested in it, you can come back every week and have a look and see, and then eventually we'll get to the point where we try it and record it. And if I do get a lithium battery pack, I'll actually do a video of taking the battery apart and installing a new battery pack in it, and I'll try and get a 12-volt battery pack from Amazon or something like that, and I'll try and make that work and connect it. I'll probably drill a little hole and put a socket in so that you can just plug a charger in to charge the batteries. So yeah, just keep, if you're interested in this kind of one, I'm really excited about it. Like I say, it's I don't know if it works. We'll try, and we'll, like I say, bit by bit we'll go through it, and we'll try little bits at a time and see how we get on. So yeah, if you know anything about these, if you've got any more information about the date, the specific date, he couldn't remember exactly. He thought it was about 82, 83, 84, something like that when he bought it. So yeah, so if anybody's got any more information on it, obviously I'd love to hear it. And yeah, so please, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing, because it really helps me out and keeps me going. So thanks for your time. Goodbye.